Health experts normally say you are what you eat, but the fact is you are what you can digest. 80% of the disease that happens in your body is because of a non-healthy gut. Gut, which is also called your second brain, plays numerous role to make sure that your body functions on an optimal level. One of the major lifestyle related disease which is affecting around 15% of the Indian population is irritable bowel syndrome or IBS. IBS is a type of gastrointestinal disorder. It is a functional disorder which means that there is a problem with the bowel movement in the digestive system. Hi folks, today through my channel Active Ash, we will discuss in detail about IBS, the different types, symptoms, some do's and don'ts, and also a few dietary supplements to improve the condition. Although IBS is not a life-threatening disease by any means, it gives lots of pain and trouble for the person who is suffering from it. Women are more prone to suffer from IBS than men. By knowing the symptoms and making some lifestyle changes, IBS can definitely be brought under control. Let's first understand the type of IBS. There are three types. First is IBS-C, which is IBS with constipation. This comes with stomach pain and discomfort, bloating, delayed or infrequent bowel movement, or lumpy or hard stool. Second is IBS-D, which is IBS with diarrhea. This comes with stomach pain and discomfort, an urgent need to move your bowel, abnormally frequent bowel movements, or loose or watery stool. Third is IBS-M, which is IBS with mixed bowel habits, like constipation and diarrhea alternatively. There are about an equal number of people with IBS in each category. There is also evidence that most people with IBS will alternate between types over time. Now, moving to the symptoms of IBS, here are a few listed. Diarrhea or constipation, abdominal bloating, cramping, feeling of incomplete defecation, anxiety, loss of appetite, passage of mucus from the rectum, and headache and bad breath. Now coming to the causes of IBS, they are mostly related to a person's lifestyle, eating habits, etc. Let's discuss a few of them now. Abnormal level of serotonin in the colon causing irregular bowel movements. Unmanaged stress gives rise to many lifestyle related diseases including IBS. Mild celiac disease can lead to the development of IBS. Psychological conditions such as anxiety or depression are observed in many people with IBS. Genetics is also considered to be a possible cause of IBS. Viral or bacterial infection of the stomach and intestines may trigger IBS symptoms. Now, I will talk about some dietary and lifestyle changes one should consider in order to treat IBS. First is start taking probiotics. Quit or limit the intake of alcohol and smoking. Eat smaller, regular meals. Exercise frequently. Try meditation, aromatherapy, and yoga to manage stress. Include a diet rich in fiber and also increase your water intake. Dairy products and gluten found in wheat can trigger IBS, hence avoid them if possible. Eat all cooked vegetables. You can avoid cauliflower, cabbage, and broccoli if they trigger the symptoms. Now we will discuss about a few dietary supplements which will be useful in dealing with different types of IBS. Let's start with IBS-C. First is Nutrilite Daily. For a healthy gut, maintaining your micronutrients on a daily basis is very important. Nutrilite Daily multivitamin and multimineral tablets contains all the essential 13 vitamins and 11 minerals. Taking one tablet after your breakfast will be ideal. Next is Salmon Omega-3. Omega-3 fatty acids are thought to play a role in large number of bodily functions, including digestion. Nutrilite salmon has the best quality of omega-3 derived from salmon fish. Each tablet has the right amount of EPA and DHA. Next is Amalaki Vibhitaki and Haritaki from Nutrilite's herbal range. Each tablet in Amalaki Vibhitaki and Haritaki is individually known to help in supporting digestion and colon health, improving appetite, having laxative properties, soothing hyperacidity, and detoxifying the body systems. One tablet after your breakfast and one tablet post dinner should be taken with warm water. Last we have Nutrilite Fiber. We all know that soluble fiber does wonders when it comes to curing constipation. Nutrilite Fiber contains 3 of the best soluble fiber, which are inulin, gorgum and resistance maltodextrin. 1 scoop of 5 grams should be taken post lunch and dinner. Now we move to the products that will be beneficial for IBS-D. First is daily multivitamin. As I shared a while back the benefits of daily. For diarrhea too, you should consume 1 tablet post breakfast. Next is Nutrilite Natural B. So each tablet provides a nutritional formula of 7 essential B vitamins along with yeast. It's been proven that lack of B vitamins, especially vitamin B3, can be the cause of diarrhea. You can consume 1 tablet post lunch. The third product is Nutrilite Fiber. Fiber too can be taken in diarrhea as it's a very important macronutrient for gut health. 1 scoop of fiber should be taken with curd or buttermilk during meals. I have made separate detailed videos on all these products whose link I will share in the description box. Please do watch them too for complete info. If you need any more info, you can drop a message on my number mentioned in the description box. Also, please don't forget to like and comment on the video and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and bye for now.